Render forest style.
Hi everyone, today I am show you how to enable Samsung Assistant menu. So without wasting time, let's start. First you select setting, scroll down, then select accessibility, then select third options, Dexterity and Interactions, then select Assistant menu, click here, on, and in the lower sections there is options, small, medium, large, then go back, here this icon is the assistant menu. So here is a lot of options, home screen, recent app, back options, screenshot. You take direct screenshot or easy pin zooms or menu settings. Sometimes what happens, our physical key does not work or the damage, that time you will use this assistant menu. It is very helpful to use. So guys, if you like my video, please subscribe our channels or like, comment or share your friend. Thank you for watching.